Greetings viewers, Eric the Car Guy. Thank you so much for tuning in. I want to let you know at the onset that today's video is sponsored. In fact, sponsored by Haynes Manuals. Before the end of this video, I hope to share with you some money-saving information on Haynes Manuals that could save you a great deal of money. That's why I call it money-saving information. I'm sitting here with my 2001 Acura Integra GSR, and I got a little nostalgic because Haynes reached out to me and asked me to produce a couple of videos for you. So I went through and looked at my own Haynes manuals, which this is one of them, and this is for the Acura Integra, also Honda CR-V and Honda Civic. And I looked through this and I was like, you know what, a lot of this information is really good. I mean, I don't know if you know this or not, but I'm formerly an Acura technician, used to work on these things every day. I've owned 5 Acura Integras in my life. But Haynes, what I like about them is to produce these manuals, they take a vehicle like this, they go out and buy it, they tear it all down to nothing, and then they put it all back together. Professional mechanics do this, and then they've got like real photographers and real editors and publishers to put this together into the finished product that you see before you here. And it contains over 800 images, which I like because I like pictures better than I like words. It's all well laid out. In fact, if there's something that comes up that might require a special tool, they'll, if they can, they'll find a workaround and they'll present that information in the manual. Sort of similar to something some guy on the internet does with his repair videos. Anyhow, I wanted to share that with you. These manuals are available in print form, so you can have one of these and keep it on the shelf until the page is yellow like I did. Or these days you can get things called electronic versions of these manuals. And the electronic versions are searchable, so you can go in and you say, hey, I want to know information about the fuel pump on this Acura Integra. Well, you just type that into the search and boom, you're right there. Also, there's unlimited printing of the online versions of the manuals. So if you want to print something up because you want to take it out to your vehicle and look at it, you don't want to get your phone dirty or whatever, you can do that. Now for the part I told you about saving you money. Well, Haynes has given me a promo code to share with you that when you go to checkout, you type in the promo code EricTheCarGuy, all one word, just like it is on my hat, and you will receive not 20, not 30, not 40, but 50% off these, yes. I'm not joking. You're really gonna get 50% off that promo code, and if you order print versions, then you will receive free shipping in addition to 50% off, which honestly, I think that's a killer deal on something like this. If nothing else, pick up one of these manuals just to have around for your vehicle. You know, if something goes wrong, you can flip through it, or electronically, you can search it and possibly find an answer. If you want to take advantage of this offer, you got to get clicking like now, because this offer expires May 21st, 2019. Yes, I said May 21st, 2019. That's not a whole lot of time. So if you want 50% off Haynes manuals, get clicking right now. Links in the description to additional stuff. Thanks for sticking with me, and thanks to Haynes for sponsoring this video. Like I said, additional information in the description. Be safe, have fun, stay dirty. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I don't know how another way I can inspire you aside from throwing this at your face, and maybe you might catch it. That's the only other thing I can think to do.